Hello, I have a question today. How do you eat quail eggs in your country, or do you not eat them? I heard that some countries don't eat quail eggs, but in Korea, it's the main ingredient in a popular Korean side dish that we call 장조림. In case you have never seen one before, it looks like a spotted miniature egg and has almost the same taste. So if you can't get quail eggs, then you can use chicken eggs instead. Anyway, this side dish looks cute and tastes sweet, so kids especially love this, and so do I. Today we are going to make it with twisted peppers that have a nice and unique fragrance. Plus the leftover soy sauce in this side dish will also make a good side dish, 양념간장, that we can enjoy with roasted seaweed. Let's get started. Korean grocery stores sell shell-removed quail eggs, so I bought that one. But if you had to combine them, it's okay. You can just boil quail eggs for 10 minutes and remove the shell. First, I'm going to trim some garlic. Please just cut the tips a little bit like this. Next, wash the twisted pepper in running water and make a few holes with a fork or a needle. And thinly slice the Shiitake mushroom. Now, in a small pot, place the quail eggs and add the sauce ingredients. And pour 2 cups of anchovy broth into the pot to get the quail eggs fully soaked in the broth. Please turn on the stove to high heat, and when things start boiling, then turn it down to medium. In 10 minutes, let's add our other trimmed ingredients: garlic, twisted pepper, shiitake mushroom. Now all we do is wait for 10 more minutes. And let me tell you how to make the seasoning soy sauce with 장조림 soup. In a small bowl, pour around 50 ml of the soy soup, 1 tablespoon of chopped large green onion, red pepper powder, sesame oil, and sesame seeds. You can store this in the fridge. This soy sauce mixture is good to use in other Korean food cooking. It also goes well with rice and a sunny side up combo. Please try this with your precious ones. Thank you for watching and see you next week.